What I love most about the Theater Arts Department at the University of California, Santa Cruz is that the students and the faculty are interested in doing a lot more than just entertaining. We are deeply dedicated to understanding that theater is a powerful tool for the advancement of important social discourses, like discourses about social justice, about inclusion, equality, and also about environmental sustainability.
So many of the big problems that need solving out in the world require tools from ecology and evolutionary biology. And that's especially true in Santa Cruz. This is one of the most biodiverse places in the world. And the UCSC students have this streak of wanting to, get out there and do stuff. That's been awesome because really anybody can engage in. You don't need to be a STEM major to engage in the process of science, generating a good question and figuring out how to answer it.
UC Santa Cruz really has not only a reputation for, but a continued commitment to social justice. Social justice is always a struggle for a better future. Social justice doesn't mean just having a political opinion. Social justice means sticking in there and trying to figure out whether or not what you think should happen is informed by your discussion with others who don't have the same perspective that you do, and whether or not it's informed by your willingness to be changed. And if I think of one thing that I think is core to education, it's the willingness for all of us to always be open to change.